Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos. Suede is a much softer and more vulnerable material than ordinary leather. So, knowing how to clean suede is hugely important if you own boots, shoes, jackets, or other accessories made from this delicate material. Stay tuned to this video for the best way to clean suede without damaging the material, so that you can hang on to your favorite suede garments and accessories for longer. Firstly, ensure your shoes are dry and using a suede cleaning brush, gently brush away the dirt. Brushing in one direction will help to lift out the dirt. Use the suede brush on the scuffed areas forward and backwards. Here's a tip: for stubborn marks, try using a pencil eraser to rub out the dirt. Lightly wet the entire outside of the shoe, using a sponge or dry cloth to blot any excess water, then let the shoes dry overnight. To keep the shape of the shoe, insert a shoe tree whilst it dries. Once completely dry, brush lightly with your suede brush. Gently brush the stain with your suede brush. Then using warm water, wet a toothbrush or nail brush, and work over the stain. Please be noted that some oily stains are difficult to remove from suede, so severely stubborn stains may be impossible to remove. Remember, prevention is better than cure. So, try to apply a coat of suede protector spray on your suede shoes when you first get them, and again, after every time you have cleaned them. If you would like to get a suede cleaning kit, you may click on the links in the description below.